Does your bedroom feel a little flat, like something's missing? Let's fix that. I'm going to show you how to make your bedroom look elegant, like you hired a designer, but without the designer price tag. Hi, I'm Nikki D, a formerly trained interior designer, and in this video, I'm sharing 10 tips designers use with their clients to create spaces that feel polished, elevated, and expensive on a real-life budget. And tip number 8, it's the one most people skip, but it instantly makes your space feel finished and high-end. Let's jump in. Tip 1. Invest in a statement bed. Your bed is the largest piece in the room, so it has to make a statement. Designers almost always start with a bold bed as the focal point. That could be a sculptural 4-post bed, a curved silhouette, or a luxe upholstered headboard with special details like scallop edges, channel tufting, or mixed materials. Yes, a classic upholstered bed is timeless, but if you want a more elevated look, try something in velvet, boucle, burl wood, or a mix of textures, like this sage green boucle wingback bed with a leather frame, or this boucle and burl wood combo that adds instant richness and dimension. Now you might be thinking, okay, but these designer beds are super expensive. And you're not wrong. But the key is to use the high-end inspiration and recreate the look for less. For example, here's a designer bed that's $6,300. And here's a similar look for less for $1,500 that gives you the same style and impact. Disclaimer, I'm not here to pretend that making your home look expensive costs nothing. But I am here to show you how to get the designer look for way less. If you want more examples, make sure that you check out my Lux for Less series linked below, where I recreate designer spaces that cost $40,000 to $50,000 for just $5,000 to $7,000. And if you're shopping now, I linked a few affordable designer-inspired beds in the description below. Tip 2. Level up your nightstands. This is a simple switch that can make a huge impact. Designers often use matching nightstands to create balance and symmetry. So if yours are mismatched, maybe one is yours and one's your partner's, just upgrading to a matching pair is going to instantly make your room feel more intentional and elevated. It doesn't mean that they have to be identical. Designers often use coordinating pieces from the same collection. For example, one nightstand might have open shelving while the other has drawers for storage. As long as the materials and finish match, it's still going to give you that cohesive high-end look. And if your furniture came as a full showroom set, swapping out just the nightstands for something that coordinates but doesn't match exactly adds that collected designer feel. Look for special details like reeded fronts, arch shapes, mixed materials, or unique finishes like burl wood, raffia, or shagreen. These textures add depth, contrast, and luxury to your space. For example, this 4-hands nightstand is over $1,300, but this burlwood style from Tove has a similar look for just over $400. It has an open shelf for essentials and lucite handles that add just the right amount of glam. Pro tip, if you already have wood furniture, burl wood is a great choice because the pattern naturally blends light and dark tones. So this is going to make it easier to coordinate with what you already own. Just make sure the nightstands you choose work with your overall design style. Not sure what your design style is? Take the free quiz linked below to help you find yours so that you can shop with confidence. Tip 3. Upgrade your dresser or chest. Let's say that you love your nightstands, but your dresser is starting to feel dated. This is another piece that can instantly elevate your bedroom when swapped out for something more stylish. Think beyond the basic showroom-style wood box. Look for a dresser that has character, like a geometric front, brass accents, or sculptural lines. These small details add texture, interest, and that custom high-end look. If you already have white nightstands, a great option is a dresser that combines white and raffia. For example, the one I linked below features a natural woven texture paired with a clean white frame. It feels light, fresh, and designer. Or you can go for a dresser with a reeded front and a contrasting stone top. That subtle material contrast gives it an elevated designer-worthy vibe. Pro tip, choosing a dresser with mixed materials or a novelty finish like burl wood makes it much easier to tie back to any solid wood finishes that are already in your space. Whatever you go with, just make sure that the materials and style coordinate with the rest of your furniture. It might take a little more effort up front, but trust me, the final result will look curated, cohesive, and expensive. Tip 4, create a sitting area. Your bedroom is your personal sanctuary, so why not make it a space for both sleep and relaxation? Designers often include sitting areas in bedrooms to elevate the overall feel. And depending on your room size, there are a few easy ways to make it work. In smaller bedrooms, try adding a bench at the foot of the bed or a cozy accent chair with a drink table. These simple additions are going to instantly give your space that boutique hotel vibe. If you have more room to play with, you could go bigger with a small sofa or a settee that ties back to your headboard fabric or color. This creates a cohesive, high-end look, and it works especially well in studio apartments where you need to separate the zones. And speaking of statement pieces, this arched leather bench with a built-in bolster is a total showstopper. The designer version costs over $4,000, but I found a similar velvet option for just $450 and I linked it below. You can also create a seating moment with 2 chairs and a small table at the foot of your bed or along an empty wall. And in tighter spaces, a pair of ottomans is a smart, space-saving choice that still adds elegance and function. Just like with your bed and nightstands, look for sculptural shapes, novelty textures, and mixed materials to give your space that designer edge. These little upgrades may seem simple, but they'll take your bedroom from basic to absolutely stunning. Tip 5. Layer luxurious bedding. This is one of the most affordable ways to instantly elevate your bedroom, and the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune to pull it off. The secret is in the layers. Now, if you're a minimalist, layering might make you cringe, but hear me out. In designer spaces, you'll often see a mix of crisp sheets, a quilt or throw blanket, a fluffy duvet, and a few well-placed pillows. This simple formula gives your bedroom that luxury designer feel without the designer price tag. If you love white bedding, look for subtle textures or tone-on-tone patterns. That way you'll still get interest and depth even without color. It also gives you the perfect base to layer in novelty pillows with bold colors, shapes, or textures. Not into all white? Try a striped duvet, neutral linen, or textured velvet bedding to add warmth and personality. Whether you're drawn to modern black and white, earthy organic tones, or cozy rustic charm, your bedding is a great place to make a statement. Just adding a few decorative pillows with pattern, texture, or sculptural shape can completely transform the look. And the best part, you could get the high-end look on a budget. Some of my favorite places to shop for affordable bedding are HomeGoods, Target, and Amazon. I'll link my favorites below. Let me know in the comments, where do you love to shop for bedding? I'm always looking for more options. And quick reminder, before you buy any furniture, always measure and create a floor plan. I linked a free PDF in the description that walks you through step by step. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later when everything fits perfectly. If you're loving these tips so far, please give the video a like to let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I post a new video every Sunday to help you make your home look expensive for less. Tip 6. Use floor-to-ceiling curtains. Here's a simple designer hack that makes a huge difference. Hang your curtains high and wide. It instantly elongates the walls and gives your room that grand elevated feel, even if your space is small. I already went into details on hanging tips in this video, so I won't dive too deep here, but I do want to show you a creative way that designers are using curtains for more than just windows. They're running floor-to-ceiling curtain panels across the entire wall, especially behind the bed. And I'm bringing this up because someone recently left a comment, please do more bedrooms, especially for beds in front of windows. My longest wall for a queen-size bed is in front of the window. If that's you, don't worry. This setup can actually look really elegant. Here's the trick. Hang a full wall of curtain panels behind your bed, even if the window is off-center or narrow. It's going to soften the wall, make the window feel larger, and create that luxury designer vibe. Mount the curtains high and wide, wall to wall, and layer blackout panels with sheers for both function and style. This look works beautifully behind an upholstered bed and instantly makes your bedroom feel more intentional and pulled together. So if your longest wall has a window, don't fight it, embrace it. This one simple, affordable treatment can completely transform the space. And don't feel like you have to spend a fortune to recreate this look, because in last week's video, I showed you exactly how to do it. Do you have a tricky layout or design dilemma? Drop it in the comments below. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help. Tip 7. Use a neutral tone-on-tone palette. This is one of those design tricks every designer uses, because at the end of the day, a neutral color scheme is timeless, elegant, and sophisticated. Now you might be thinking, neutrals, isn't that kind of boring? But when done right, it's anything but. The key to making neutrals feel elevated is texture. It's not just about using one color, it's about layering materials, patterns, and finishes to add depth and dimension. For example, this neutral room combines an upholstered bed with reeded wood nightstands for the perfect balance of softness and texture. Another way to make neutrals pop is by adding contrast. Think a neutral room with bold blue walls or color added through art, rugs, or decor. These are easy, affordable updates that can completely change the vibe without replacing your furniture. For example, this room has texture layered throughout stacked rugs and patterned pillows. While in this bedroom, there's shirling poofs, a quilted bedspread, and a textured area rug for warmth and dimension. Artwork and lighting can also help balance the palette. A few carefully chosen table lamps and framed prints can keep the space from feeling flat while tying everything together. You'll also see designers use wallpaper in neutral rooms to add drama. A geometric print works great in modern spaces, while a nature-inspired pattern adds a calming, organic touch. Whether you go bold or serene, wallpaper is a great way to personalize your neutral space without overwhelming it. The best part? A neutral foundation gives you flexibility. You can easily swap out art, pillows, or paint when you're ready for something new. So no, neutrals aren't boring, they're actually fabulous. Tip 8. Layered lighting. Remember at the beginning of the video when I said tip number 8 is the one that most people skip, but it instantly makes your space feel finished? This is that tip. If you want your bedroom to feel luxurious, elegant, and professionally designed, you have to layer your lighting. It's one of the most overlooked details in home design, but it makes a huge difference in how your space feels. Most people rely on a single overhead light, but in designer spaces, you'll always see multiple light sources that work together to create mood, depth, and that soft, ambient glow. Here's how to layer it like a pro. Use a chandelier or a flush mount for general lighting. Table lamps for bedside reading or task lighting. Wall sconces for accent lighting. A floor lamp tucked next to a cozy chair or in a corner moment. Want to take it to the next level? Add a backlit headboard. One of my favorite looks is this headboard that has solid panels with a reeded center and LED lights behind it. It feels custom, high-end, and honestly something that you'd see in a luxury designer space. Now before you say, that looks expensive, hear me out. If you or your partner are handy, this could totally be a DIY moment. Use reeded panels, a basic frame, and LED strip lighting, and you've got yourself a designer-style headboard for a fraction of the cost. Let me know in the comments, do you like seeing DIY-friendly ideas like this, or would you rather just have direct links to shop? We're all at different stages in the design journey, and I'm trying to share what's most helpful for you. Pro tip, always put your lighting on a dimmer switch whenever possible. It's a small upgrade that makes your space feel softer, more polished, and yes, more expensive. So don't skip this one. Layered lighting is what separates a nice bedroom from one that feels truly complete. Tip 9. Include oversized art or a statement mirror. If your walls are feeling a little bare, this tip will instantly give your bedroom that designer finish look. One of my go-to moves, oversized art. You'll see it in so many high-end bedrooms, whether it's a pair of large prints over the nightstands or one dramatic piece centered above the bed to draw the eye up and create a strong focal point. While a gallery wall can work, a single large piece feels more elegant and intentional, and it's easier to get right. Even if you decide to use wall-to-wall curtain panels behind your bed like we talked about in tip 6, you can still hang art in front of them. Just look at this example. It has 2 abstract prints that are layered over the curtain. They're hung from the ceiling, and it adds depth and gives your room that custom high-end feel. Another great place for oversized art is going to be above your dresser. You can center it for a classic symmetrical look or offset it slightly for a more modern curated feel. Here's a designer trick that I've shared before, but it's worth repeating. Frame a panel of wallpaper with molding to create a custom art moment. It's a super budget-friendly way to add pattern and color without committing to a full room of wallpaper or an accent wall, which sometimes can look dated. And don't forget about mirrors. Oversized mirrors, whether above a dresser, over nightstands, or leaning casually on the floor, bounce light around and instantly make your space feel brighter, larger, and more expensive. Bonus points for mirrors with arched or organic shapes. They double as sculptural art and functional decor. Tip 10. Hide the clutter. This is by far the most affordable tip, and honestly, it might not cost you a thing. Clutter-free surfaces instantly make a space feel more luxe, more polished, and more designer. Start by purging anything you don't use or love. Then make sure you have enough storage to keep the little things out of sight. That might mean choosing a nightstand with 3 drawers instead of that cute single drawer table. Function matters, especially when you're going for that high-end finished look. Here's another smart idea. If you have the space, add a small desk area. Many people keep papers, books, or even their laptop in their bedroom. A desk gives you a stylish, intentional place to store it all neatly. One designer even created a desk and dresser nook hidden behind curtain panels. So when the space gets messy, just close the panels and deal with it later. Genius, right? We'll stop here to keep it short and sweet, but if you want more elegant bedroom decorating ideas, let me know in the comments below. I hope these 10 tips help you design a space that feels polished, intentional, and totally you without overspending. For more help, check out Designer Home 101 linked below. It's my step-by-step course that walks you through everything from finding your style to adding the finishing touches that make a space feel complete. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment and tell me, which tip was your favorite? Also, do you have a design dilemma you'd love me to cover in a future video? Let me know in the comments below. I read all of them and I'd be happy to help. Also, if you try any of these tips, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your beautiful space. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a designer tip. And for even more easy decorating hacks, watch this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing. Ciao.